This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Loosen the cable nut on the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the starter motor heat shield fasteners and remove the heat shield. Disconnect the electrical connections from the starter motor terminals. Remove the 2 mounting bolts, then remove the starter. Install the starter and mounting bolts. Tighten the mounting bolts securely. Connect the battery positive cable at the starter motor to the terminal. Then tighten the nut securely. Secure the protective cover over the terminal. Connect the starter electrical connector. Install the heat shield, tightening the fasteners securely. Lower the car to the ground. Unblock the wheels. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely.